A lot of folks have come on my Discord live calls, of which I offer 8 a week, to tell me in different months, different times, and not in concert with each other, to come on and say, thank you so much for showing me this one trick or these 2 tricks. I make so much more money. My trading has been so much better after I simply did these 1 or 2 things. And in this video, I'm going to show you something like that. I'm not going to give you those same secrets. However, I'm going to show you something simple that could be a game changer for you. And I'm going to connect it from current price right now to roughly back in August of 2021 to show you the statistics. And the answer is 69. Kind of like 42 is the answer to everything. Well, here, 69 is the answer to this. This is going to be a really good freebie for you. You better freaking like it. This is free information, so let's dive into it. Are you ready? Let's go. I have 16 different marks here. Some are arrows, some are, let's call these stop signs. So I have 5 stop signs here and then 11 arrows for 16 total. And I kind of got lucky for marketing purposes that, that ratio you have, or 69 and 31 to equal 100. And if you add those together with that fraction, I guess, and I got a little lucky, but let's check this out. Watch. In my last YouTube video and within my community, I let my community know that I am going to, I'm gonna give away a little bit more here than I should, but I'm gonna be looking for altcoins to short once Bitcoin gets into this box, okay? And from my YouTube video, I think I have extended this box maybe by several hours here. I think I had it here in my video. Thought I would hit it by this point, but whatever. I think I've extended it. And when I do extend things, I do let you know. And when I don't extend them, I let you know that it's exactly the same, and I don't lie about it. Anyway, so I have extended that from my last video. Just a heads up, but it's not the time frame that matters. Rather, it's going to happen by Monday is my guess, okay? Now, right now, it looks like, okay, impatient people like me, I'm kind of a spaz, okay, in case you couldn't tell, okay, I'm kind of a spaz. My trading style definitely reflects that. It definitely reflects that, and I've had to overcome it. Have I overcome all of that? Hell no, I haven't. But the vast majority of it, I have. And here is one way for for people who want to enter things a little bit uncautiously, which is my personal trading style. I prefer to be in the trade. The super simple thing. You would think that, hey, it got close enough. Let's go ahead and short it. We got red candles here. Let's short the shit out of this. Let's go find some altcoins, and it's kind of my game plan, which is the information I didn't really want to give. But my plan is I want to go find altcoins that did get a bigger pump than this. I think from the live call, from this point, I was planning on it to hit this box roughly when I made that YouTube video from Friday or yesterday. I'm going to find an altcoin that went higher than it should have, higher than Bitcoin did during this, and short it. And once Bitcoin gets into this, right? And you would think a spaz person, kind of like myself, very impatient person, this is close enough, let's short it now. And one way that I control myself, and with your style, particularly if you are I'm a crackhead, I'm a crypto crackhead. Sometimes I can't help myself. What I'm about to show you, it's gonna calm your ass down, and it's gonna be so beneficial. And this type of crap that I cover in my Discord quite a bit, and I don't give you this stuff on YouTube. So if if what I'm about to show you is gonna be helpful, right? I have links to my Discord community on all of my description sections within my videos. You could turn on your camera and microphone and ask me questions directly in live up to 8 times a week. Or, if you're not a big fan of communities, you could essentially hit the join button below this video to have another video pop up describing your options to get material much above and beyond what I offer on YouTube on a regular basis, 5 to 7 times a week. And follow me on Twitter. My handle is 𝘾𝙤𝙤𝙣𝙚, and let's dive into this. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about to not be a spaz and short this right now. Watch. And again, the answer really is 69. I'm going to go to the daily chart now. Watch. Watch how easy this is. So easy. So easy. I'm telling you. Look. It looks like this would be a good time to jump into a short, right? Because my box was almost hit. The trend is down. Let's jump into the short. You'd think that, right? Okay, but not really. 69. Like friggin' 69. Like what do you mean, Tim? Explain yourself, Tim. Okay, 69. These arrows. Look. What okay, Tim, I still don't get it. Okay, I'm looking, but I don't get it, Tim. Okay, I'm going to show you. Top was a red arrow. All right, a red arrow was a red candle. Is this a red candle? No. How many minutes are left in this day? 19. So what does that mean? If the trend is the good times to short are when you think it's good, but wait for the next candle to open to wick up first with the expectation of it dropping, it's going to wick up first and then go down. Because a lot of folks, whether it's exchanges or the theys and the big bad, wolves and all the boogeyman's out there who don't want you to make money, they wait for the next daily candle open to drive it up, maybe even up to 12 hours, the first half of the day, to make it it's because a lot of people, like exchanges or whoever the big bad days are, but it's really not technically exchanges, folks want you to long because they can't take on a short unless you're longing. It's a 1-for-1. Pick an exchange, Binance US, whatever. If there are only $10 million of longs, then there can't be more than $10 million worth of shorts. Why do you think traps happen? Look. This is how the big bad days are doing it. They'll drive it up the next day. And then so if you think it's ready on a big bullish green day, don't be short on a green day. It's a 31. Short the next day. That'll give you a 69. Is 69% a favorable odd? Hell yeah. Now, sometimes it can just keep being green and you're dead wrong, right? So it's not technically a 69%, but 69% of the best, even this one, I even missed this one, of the best times to short, in this sample size, are waiting for that green day to end, and you think it's the great time to short. Wait for it to wick up with the anticipation for it to turn red. Just wait. Wait for the next day. Now, is that hard for Europeans? Yeah. I mean, because a lot of times, these, so look, red. Look, this was a red, the local tops of all, of 11 of these 16 were red. Didn't work here, hence the stop sign. Didn't work here, hence the stop sign. Didn't work here, hence the stop sign. Going back, friggin' 8 months. Look, local top, big green candle. Don't short on the green candle. Wait for the next one to wick up first and then get. Just wait for the fucking candle. Look, and did it work here? No. The green day was the time to short. But had you waited for the next day, you still could have gotten a great entry on that candle. It's not like you lose it. You can wait for EMA crosses on the next day and then it's going down. It doesn't happen all the time. Look, this one, best time to short? Yeah, big green days, don't short there. Wait for the next day to open. This probably happened in the first few hours. Did it work here? No. Here, big green day. Don't short on the green day. Wait for the next day to open and then wait for it to wick above the previous day's close and the wick high and then take it. Another one, red candle. This is a very tradable event. Does this look like a great short? Not, it might not to a lot of people, but if you're trading short-term timeframes, dang it, I just had it. Hopefully you can't see. There are no childs. That makes a lot of sense. Go. Stay out. I'm not editing this damn video. I just want to get this up. Anyway, no children in my video. No childs in this video. Anyway, wait for the next day to short. Yeah, I'm not really supposed to be recording right now. Anyway, look. Okay, no singing on the way out either. I don't know if you can hear that. She's kind of like me. She's just singing all the time. Even though I sometimes mix it up with beatboxing instead of singing, or I'll beatbox and sing at the same time. Look here, red. The top was a red day. It was a red. This one was like the second red day. It's kind of tricky. And out of these, so I believe in total there are 16 of these cases of local tops. I only went to July or whatever the case was. The best time to take shorts, if you're shorting, is not during a green day because, throughout at least this sample size, out of 16 samples, okay, out of 8 months, okay, you have a 69% chance that it's likely better to not short on the green day. Just wait. Is that helpful? Watch this video if you want to learn how to set up a chart just like mine. It'll be the best 28 minutes you've ever spent in crypto. If you're new, it could potentially change your damn life. Watch this video right here if you missed my last Solana video, even if you don't like Solana, so you can get an idea of how low your altcoins are going to go. I'm telling you, you might want to watch it, even if you don't give two shits about Solana. check out this right here in the middle. If you click it, a pony might show up your doorstep the next day. You just got typified worldwide. Peace.